Imagine being able to customize your website's content based on what your customers are actually interested in. Darren, who buys the same thing every month, sees his favorite coffee blend front and center, while Mary, who gave your new matcha 5 stars, can see all of the different matcha products you have available. Customizing on-site content based on a customer's characteristics and activity is possible with Klaviyo's Group Membership API, and you'll learn how to set up and use it in this video. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's pass it to Michaela to get started.
Before we begin, let's go over a few prerequisites. The Group Membership API is a method of the Klaviyo object. In order to use the Group Membership API, you must first set up on-site tracking and load the Klaviyo object. Check out our video on setting up on-site tracking to learn how before using the Group Membership API. Once you've set up the Klaviyo object on your site, add another script tag to your site's HTML. In this example, I am working on a Shopify site, so I will add a custom liquid block containing a JavaScript tag. Our goal is to customize on-site content using the data from this sign-up form that Beantown Coffee just created. The form asks customers if they prefer iced coffee, hot coffee, or both, so we can promote relevant products based on their answers. In Klaviyo, Beantown created 2 segments, iced coffee and hot coffee, which automatically update according to each customer's preference selection. Copy the IDs of these 2 segments. In the script tag we just added, save these 2 segment IDs as iced coffee segment and hot coffee segment, respectively. Now, we can pass in an array of these segment IDs as an argument to the getGroupMembership method. Within the script tag, call klaviyo.getGroupMembership. Pass an array of the 2 segment IDs, iced coffee segment and hot coffee segment, to the getGroupMembership method. The Group Membership API returns an array containing the list and segment IDs that the customer belongs to. This method will return an array that includes the iced coffee segment ID if the customer is in the iced coffee segment, the hot coffee segment ID if they're in the hot coffee segment, or an empty array if the customer is in neither segment. Next, let's add some logic to customize site content based on group membership. In practice, you should use the segment membership data returned by the Group Membership API with a site personalization tool to control the content shown to each customer. However, in this demo video, I'll demonstrate some simple logic to give you an idea of what it may look like. If the customer is in the iced coffee segment, update the page to highlight new iced coffee specials. If they are in the hot coffee segment, highlight hot coffee products. Otherwise, if the customer is in neither segment, display the default homepage. Now, let's see this in action. When I visit Beantown's website, I initially see the default homepage. By filling out the sign-up form and indicating that I am interested in iced coffee, Klaviyo identifies my email address and updates my profile. From then on, whenever I return to the site, it highlights the iced coffee products I love. If a customer instead indicates that they prefer hot coffee, Klaviyo automatically moves them from the iced coffee to the hot coffee segment in Beantown's account. As a result, they will see popular hot coffee products instead of iced coffee.
With just a little bit of code, the Group Membership API allows you to identify which groups a shopper on your website belongs to and adjust your page content accordingly. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, check out the description for more resources like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.